Improving the graphics settings in PUBG can enhance your gaming experience by providing better visuals. Follow these steps to boost your graphics settings effectively. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Launch PUBG and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu where you can adjust various game options. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. In the settings menu, select the graphics tab. Here, you will find options such as resolution, quality, and frame rate. Increase the quality settings to enhance visuals, but be mindful of your system's capabilities. Step 3. Change resolution. Under the graphics tab, locate the resolution setting. Set it to your monitor's native resolution for the best visual clarity. Higher resolutions provide better detail, but may affect performance on lower-end systems. Step 4. Enable anti-aliasing. Find the anti-aliasing option in the graphics settings. Enabling this feature smooths out jagged edges in the game, improving overall visual quality. Choose a higher level for better results, but again, consider your hardware. Step 5. Optimize post-processing effects. Look for options related to post-processing effects, such as bloom, motion blur, and depth of field. Adjust these settings to your preference. Turning them on can enhance visuals, but turning them off may improve performance. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your PUBG graphics settings for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your improved visuals and gameplay.